Finally, sustainable agriculture keeps farmers farming. Every year, many poor farmers leave the land. They move to the city. This causes problems such as unemployment. It also leaves the land without people to care for it. If they can't farm, some farmers have to move to the city to find work. To save forests and help farmers, we must support people like Paulo Segura and Sid Simoes. We must be part of the sustainable way of farming. What can you do to help? This is unshelled Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts can be a sustainable crop. Talk about it. Do you think this was a strong, persuasive article? Give 2 reasons to support your opinion. So going back to the beginning of the article on page 246, we learned that this is an example of a persuasive article. A persuasive article states an opinion about an issue and gives evidence to support it. So was this a persuasive article? Did it? On the first page, it talked about the problem that they were having, which was that the forest, we were losing trees due to the slash and burn agriculture. Some people, then they gave an example of what some people are trying to, how some people are trying to solve this problem, which is to limit farming. Limit means that people must not farm very much. Then they talked about a new solution from these 2 environmentalists, it looks like, emerging explorers. And they said that they thought that farmers could earn money from having a small piece of land that they used over and over again. Finally, they gave reasons. They said helping farmers, this would be that they wouldn't have to replant every year, and they also taught them the higher value crops. They also use a system that said, this is not so much the persuasive part, but they used a system that one family could be taught and then they can go teach many other families. They use a first statement right here that is giving evidence. So first, it allows them sustainable agriculture lets farmers grow crops on the same land each year. Then they talked about that it was better for the forest because they can just keep reusing the same land. And then finally, it says that sustainable agriculture will keep farmers farming and not have unemployment. All things that they believe to be good reasons to do sustainable agriculture. So to answer number 1, do you think this is a strong, persuasive article? I would say yes, it was strong because it gave 3 good reasons. The other thing is that it proved that farmers would like it, which is important. And then also that the people who who want to save the forest would also like it because they're noticing that it benefits both of them. So a good persuasive article will talk about both sides of the issue and try to solve it for everyone.